What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a towel ring rack in your bathroom. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so here's the towel ring I've got. It is brand Best Value, but it's going to be the same job if you have a Moen or any other brand. You can have these for about 10 bucks. But it just comes with the ring and then this bracket that we're going to be putting on the wall. So it slips onto the bracket like that, and then if you look underneath, a lot of them have these little tiny set screws like that. We'll tighten down and that kind of locks it into place. We'll take a quick measurement from the top of this to the center of the first hole, and it looks like it's about 1/2 inch. Alright, now I went ahead and put my longest towel on the ring, and we're going to try and figure out the placement. It's best to not hang it covering or over any outlets or switches. So I'll go ahead and mark it there. Then I can take my tape measure and measure down 1/2 inch from our mark. To install the bracket, we're going to need these plastic drywall anchors and 2 screws. Sometimes they come with the drywall anchors, sometimes they don't, so be aware of that. We'll take the drill bit that fits the same size as our anchor. It's usually 1/4 inch. Okay, now we'll go ahead and drill our holes for the anchors. Just through the drywall. We can take our anchors and just gently tap them in with our hammer. Just till they seat against the drywall. Then we can put our plate on and our screws. Screw these in. There we go. Then we'll slip our towel ring over the bracket with the little set screw at the bottom. Then we can tighten that set screw down with a tiny little screwdriver. They're usually a little flathead or an Allen key. You have a little wiggle room to get it straight. That is how to install a towel ring. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.